To access IPBRICK.CAFE, we type the address that was previously defined in the browser. We log in with one of the users that we've created in IPBRICK. And we enter IPBRICK.CAFE. This is the main interface of the social network. We will begin by going to the personal area and updating the profile photo. Here you can also fill other areas to complete your profile. Provide an email that will receive our password in case we need to recover it. Now we're going to make a post. Besides commenting, Joanna and Marta also express their emotions with some of the available emojis. Every time that a comment or a smile is placed on one of your posts, you will be notified through this bell. On the left side of the application, we can find the polls icon, where we can make, for example, questions about our solutions to our coworkers. In addition to these features, we can also post news for the entire community. This is the social area of IPBRICK.CAFE complete. On the right side of the application, you can find the input bar, which allows to communicate through chat, email, voice and video. To know if users are available, there are icons that define our presence in the chat. I'm going to send a message to Joanna and start a conversation. We can also make a call, and there's also the possibility to make a video call. Let's make a video call with Mariana. IPBRICK.CAFE provides even more features, such as the possibility to access to the applications that you use more on a daily basis through single sign-on. This is our enterprise social network, IPBRICK.CAFE. Learn more about our solution and discover the advantages that it can bring to your company.